Kabayugan Cars and Hoop Mentors. And I present your first prize from your team, Hoop Mentors. Jersey number 11, Kabansan. And jersey number 30, Guadalupe. Jersey number 19, Guzman. Jersey number 2, Paola. And jersey number 23, Kavya. And your first prize from your team, Kabayugan Cars. Jersey number 3, Baklan. Jersey number 13, Abrazo. Jersey number 15, Castro. Jersey number 12, Valdera. Last but definitely not the least, jersey number 14, Ocha.
Okay, game time, semis.
And our captain Bob from the team of Kabayugan Cars, jersey number 3, Bakler. And captain Bob from the team Hoop Mentors, jersey number 2, Paalan. And we are ready for takeoff. Ready, set, go. 3, 2, 1, takeoff. In possession for the team of Kabayugan Cars. First prize, jersey number 13, Abrazo. And jersey number 2 from the team of Hoop Mentors, Guadalupe. Jersey number 30, Gabia, using the brakes. Masyadong malakas ang bitaw nitong Gabia. Battle sa Agabuko. And second possession, Bandera. Kabayugan. And jersey number 3, back to left. Outlet pass. Basket differ. 2 points. Castro.
Tawid!
And 2 points for Castro. First 4 points. And Ocho with a steal. And jersey number 15. Stolen by jersey number 2. Paalan. Paalan. Dire-diretso. Paso Guadalupe. Dire-diretso. Guadalupe. Using the paso Gabia. Using the body. 2 points. Gabia. And back left using the brakes. Back left. Smart on the team Kabayugan Cars. Pass to jersey number 13 Abrazo with a pick up. Two strong cutter. Save for jersey number 14 Ocha. 6 minutes and 38 seconds to go. Using the bullet. They use the last shot. 2 points. Jersey number 19. Guzman. 6 minutes and 30. Back left naman ang back left. 2 shot nga lang ang bitawan. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 10. Jersey number 15, Castro. Dire-diretso. Masyadong malakas. And battering opportunity, Paalan. What's Paalan? Masyadong malakas. Kabayugan Cars. And that's 1 point for jersey number 2, Paalan. Jumper's ready.
Oh, naglalaro pa siya. Ang panyo talaga siya kanya.
And connects 2 points, Paalan. Score po natin, deadlock 6. Deadlock 6 po ang ating score. And maganda pong bakbakan ang pinapakita na simula itong two teams. At first personal foul, jersey number 2 Paalan. And the first team foul from the parking lot, back left, masyadong malayo. And a rebound pass to Guadalupe. And to captain ba Paalan with a spin move. Paalan pass to Kabansan. Yan, score result po dito sa ating pong Paneco Gymnasium. Welcome po sa ating pong ganito ating basketball league. And a 17U category. And 5 minutes and 20 seconds to go on the first and opening quarter. Guzman looking for a drive. Guzman, tumira na lang. Masyadong alam Mars basketball. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Jersey number 3 back left, using a play. Steal! Guzman, diretso. And a back pass. And a no-look pass to Paalan. Masyadong nakapulong na itong Paalan. Hindi pa maayos ang pagkakaba ng both teams. Back left. Pasa sa ilalim. Miscommunication pass on the opening quarter. And calling a play, Paalan. Once again po sa final game, double elimination situation para sa team ng Abayugan first. Abia is the body and stolen. Stolen jersey number 13. Guzman using a floater shot, using the glass, iniwan. And Caralito with the putback, hindi na naman pinalat. 10 seconds on the shot clock, finally a 3. Valera with a huge rebound. And entering the game, Jumong Dansil for drive. And a blast of jersey number 27. Ako ang buko, kanina mawulog ka, advance pass. Jersey number 32, fake pass, layup. Masyadong natsambahan itong team ng Abayugan Cars. Dansil. Pasa sa kanyang kasamang iniwang nakabukas. And there for a 3. Masyadong manunang pitawan. Tawag ito mga 3 minutes and 40. And Abayugan Cars basketball, Rufano. Rufano call for a drive sa ilalim. Masyado namang napalalim. Pass break opportunity, Heredero. Calling for a slow pace game. Dancy, tumira ng press. Calling a play, kunting ng Abayugan Cars, point guard Rufano. Rufano pick up pass. Jersey number 27. Dati! First three-quarter. Orienting Abayugan Cars. Darcy, laban sa tatlo. Hindi nga lang nakaubra. Rufano, tsaka ang masa. And ating pong score, 6-9. Heredero, 4-3. Hindi ba mababawas ang kalamangan ng team ng Abayugan Cars? 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating opening quarter. Rufano, pumunta sa gitna, natawagan ng lifting. And Jumong Dansil, jersey number 3, call for a drive. Jumong is 1 and a drive by Heredero using the body and one! 30 ball from your team of Abayugan Cars. Heredero masyadong nagalakas ang patuhares. Dalawang pagkakataon muli para sa isang puntos. At nakaisa, 1 out of 2. Deadlock 9, mukhang dadagdagan ang isa nito, jersey number 01, LeBron. At pero nakulangan sa lakas. Abayugan Cars basketball, score to natin, 9, deadlock 9 po. Minutos! 2 minutes na lang po ang natitira sa ating pong first quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rufano iniwang nakabukas. Hindi pa nabinalat ng ring. Channel God present first ating pagpalit ng Gymnasium. Welcome po muli sa ating pong semi-final game ng Ganador Basketball League 17 under. And that's a mid-range jumper. No good. Back sa kanilang with mentors. Advance pass. Nakakawan itong Jumong Dansil. Jumong Dansil. Dire-diretso! Nakadalawa. 2 points. Dansil! And Rufano sa ilalim. Masyadong napalalim. Back to Heredero. Jersey number 17. Heredero. Mukhang dumidiretso. Heredero with a break. And pass to Jumong Dansil. Nakakawa nitong 1 minute! Last 1 minute po ang natitira sa ating pang first quarter. Rufano. Dumiretso sa ring. Masyadong napahinga. Score po natin 11-9. Mukha pong tumidikit ang bakbakan. Mentors basketball. Tumina ng 3 points for the team Mentors. With Starting ko ng ating Mirage. Jersey number 3, Dansil. Diretso, Dansil. Alright, good layup, no good. 20 seconds, no more shot na. 15. Dagil, masyadong mahina. Pero mas magbat. 2 points, last 7. Dansil from the parking lot. 2. Jumong Dansil, iniwang nakabukas sa ilalim. At nakaisa ang dalawa. 2 points. Opening points for the second quarter. Dansil. 6 minutes and 45. And there's 16-13. Lamalamang po na tatlo ang team ng Bookmakers kontra sa team ng Kabayugan Cars. Bumanda na lang pa ng dalawa. Ito na sila ko sa Lauron. 2 points for jersey number 01, Lauron. And Backleb called for a fake and a drive. And Backleb bonus throw for Backleb. And Backleb connects 3 points. And another possession for your team of Bookmakers. 18-16 po ang ating score. Kick off pass headed there at tempo 3. Too strong. Advance pass. Backleb, diretso. Using no breaks pass to Castro. Using the glass too strong. And steal by Backleb. Backleb, diretso. And a lay. Masyado na malakas. At may sumabal. Jersey number 18. Bruce Fado. Deadlock 18 po ang ating score. Deadlock 18. For the team of Bookmakers at ng team ng Kabayugan Cars. 5 minutes and 35. Shot clock down to 12. And a down situation. And connect for 1 point for Jumong Dansil. Jumpers ready. Second row. And connect 2 points. Jumong Dansil. 5 minutes and 30 seconds on the second quarter. Ufana, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa sa gitna, 10 seconds. 8. And call for a mid-range jumper. Mas na naman pagilid. Rebound by Lauron. Dansil, advance pass. Intercept right. And a steal. Advance pass to Backleb. Looking for a drive, shot. Masyado naman pinilit itong jersey number 3 Backleb. Heredero, pass. The jersey number 30, Carolino. Overshot. Heredero, call for a play. Play, pass to Jumong Dansil, Andre. There's no woman. Sa ilalim ng gawin ko, nakakarangan nga lang ako, Kapya. Dumiretso, hindi na nagpreno. And a steal on the high guard for Dansil. On the 3 points, Jumong Dansil. 20-18 from ating score. 23-18, sorry. 23-18, Backleb bumante. From the parking lot, 3 points. Parehas number 3, nakapukol ng press. Dansil at Backleb. And Jumong Dansil, isa na naman. Hindi pa nakalisaw. Masyado namang napalakas itong 3 minutes and 43 seconds to go. Heredero, was-wasan. Using no breaks, pass to Kapya, using the body. And there's the call for a foul. 3 minutes and 35 seconds to go. Heredero. Inakagawa, but there's a goal for no driver's license. At nahuling sumubra. Jersey number 15, Castro. Ufana, ball was shot ng Brody, using the glass. 3 points, Ufana. And a change favor for your team of Kabayugan Cars. Jumon Garcia called for a play. Paralipio. Pick and roll. And there's a foul. First personal foul for Castro. And the 13th foul for the team of Kabayugan Cars. Bala shot from Glory. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. There's number 13, ginagawa. Masyadong nagkamitin. And Caralibio. Caralibio to Jumong Gansil. Jumong Gansil, hindi mong nakabukas. Masyadong napalakas. Patsuman cross. And there's number 2, Paalan. Change favor once again for your team of Blue Panthers. 25-24. And Rubano, ginagawa, pass to Bacalet, in and out, and a great pass, and there's number 13, it's in, 2 points, Abrazo. Dos minutos, pasa sa ilalim, 4, there's number 1, and there's a warning, more penalty na po ang team ng Kabayugan Cars. First personal foul for jersey number 32, Zamora. At masyadong mahina ang pagkakapol. Kabayugan Cars basketball. Rufano taking charge, the general. Rufano, pick and roll jumper. Masyadong pinangat, pero si Aranal hindi mo magandang pagkakapatid, kakapasok lamang Aranal. Pass to Lauron. 18. And that's no good for Lauron. Who's called red? And 1 point for jersey number 01, Lauron. Deadlock 26-4. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. At nakawag nga lang, nitong Jumong Garcia, iniwan ko lang kabukas para sa isang nakapagpalang best 2 points. Time out! And J-Mart Paclev, was-wasan, using no breaks. 1 minute to go, Paclev, down the parking lot. Ayan, nasyadong pagkas sa tingkawad. Paalan, dire-diretso, Paalan, pass to Jumong Garcia. Rebound by Paclev. Last 45. Winnipeg, call for a shot fake. But there's a call for a foul. What's the call there, rep? And it's a 3 seconds violation. Turnover for the team of Kabayugan Cars. 33 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating pong second quarter. Jumong Garcia! 3 points! Jumong Garcia! Sorry. And there's a call for a foul. Garcia. Jersey number 3, Garcia warning for technical. Score po natin 32-26. No good ang first round ni Aranal. Last 15 seconds. Palang pagpubos mo po na po rin. Agawang Jubo, last 10. And there's a call for a foul. Jersey number 9, Buenafed. Penalty situation. And that's gonna be 1 point for Jumong Garcia. Second throw, jumpers ready. 33-26 po ang ating score. Last 10 seconds. One connects, 2 points. 34-26. Lumalaman po ng balo. And there's a call for 3 Garcia. 8 seconds. 5. Bakla losing the last 2 points. Human Cars and Mentors. And that's the start of the third quarter. Kung paano, iniwan ang bukas at may pagubos lang. And no good for Rofano. Second personal foul on jersey number 2, Bakalan. And final throw, no good pa rin. Pero sinagbo ng kanyang kasama, hindi pa rin makaawa. And naging steer, kabansa, ninakawan. Guzman, tuloy na ng tres. Agawa po ko, kinuha ni Damsir, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala pa rin. And there's a goal for a foul. Foul from the team of Hoop Mentors. Agawa po ko, kontra ng jersey number 11, turnover. At titira sa ating third quarter. Paalan pa sa jersey number 19, Guzman. Call for upspin and a shot from Gloria. And one shot for Guzman.
Oh, yan. Pwede yun. Mas maganda yun.
Hindi ka pinala ng tatlo. 2 points for Guzman. Atas pass to Dagir, dire-diretso Dagir. Napitawan. Paalan, dire-diretso. Pass to Guzman. Masyara na pala ng pwestuhan. Abroso, dire-diretso. Wala ng break. Diretso. Back. 2 points. Abroso. Oh, what an unregistered license. And that's Hoop Mentors basketball possession. And with the basketball now run fast to jersey number 19, Guzman. Agawa Buko at nakakuha. Agawa kami holding on the shot clock. Paalan, nabitawan. Bakleb, dire-diretso. Abroso with the basketball. Abroso using the body. Castro. Bakleb, for a jab. Bakleb using the leg. And sinalba na Abroso. 2 points. Karagdagan dalawa at pagbawas ng 6. And Paalan. Float the shot is nowhere. Bakleb. Castro with the basketball. Contra drive. Pass. Saan na kasama? Advance pass. Saan nakabukas? Down run. 2 points. 38-32 po ang ating score. Lamang po ng 6 ang team ng Hoop Mentors. At may 32 pa lang po. Yes. 32 pa lang po. Bakleb. Holding on the shot clock. Dire-diretso. Jersey number 35. Hindi na kaya ng Hoop Mentors. 32-38. Dinagdagan ng isa. 33. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 4 minutes and 31 na lang po ang natitira. 4 minutes and 31. 4 na minuto at kalahati na lang po ang natitira sa ating pong ikatlong quarter. Baldera. Hindi kinalan. Pero may pagkakataon. Bakleb. Step back 3. Huli! Pero ang magsasalva. Jersey number 13. Fadeaway shot. Masyarong kabigin. Bakleb na naman. Bakleb. Wala na shot from Glory. And what's the call there, Rip? Jersey number 3. Technical ball for clubbing. Score mapupala natin. 33-39. Dinagdagan ng isa nito. Kontra sa kampo yung Mentors. And kay Mark Bakleb. Bakleb looking for a play. Bakleb. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Hindi nga lang ang isa ng dalawa. Balik sa kanya. And Rufano. 2 points. Rufano. 45-39. Balik po sa 4 ng kalamangan ng Inang Hoop Mentors. Heredero nga lang iniwang bukas. Para. Hey! Hindi nga lang pinala from the shotgun. 8, 5, 2 points. That's it. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Game off the clip. At na nakawan. Guzman, 2 points. Out. Ay na nabigay na po. 3 minutes and 15. Backflip, pinakalas ng team ng group mentors. Paso. Jersey number 35, Bandera. Pinali niya. Using the last 2 points. Bandera. 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes po ang natitira. Pass to Loro, kick out, pass to Guzman. Shot clock ready for the 3. No good. And that's a call for no driver's license. Robert Bakalan. And Castro, derecho, aray ko po. Lero, jersey number 17. Pass to the corner. And a shot from Glory, no good. Shot clock, back to 10. Guzman, Becky shot, wala pa rin. And paanan, iniwang nakabukas at nakawala kay Guzman. 2 points, Guzman. And Bakleb, using no break. 5 seconds to go. 2 minutos. 2 minutes lang po ang natitira. Paanan, tumira ng 3. Masya ng mataas. Castro. At kanina mamubuntas. Rainbow Jose. And J. Mark Bakleb. Using some handles itong Bakleb. Jersey number 3. Pass to Bandera. Bandera, the big boy. Pass to jersey number 32. Shot clock, knock to 10. And left the man open. Hindi nyo alam ang 3. 5. And bumawi ng dalawa. 2 points. Castro. 49-45 po. Labak po 6-point lead ang Kalamangan. Natin ng group mentors. Kontra sa Kabayugan Curse. And then a cover drive. Pass to Jumong Dasil. Lower. Loto shot is no good. And Dasil for a 3. Yes! 3 points. That's it. At may karantira. 1 minute na lang po ang natitira for the third quarter. J. Mark Bakleb, hindi nga lang nagpapakita ang usual niyang galawan. Second throw, jumpers ready. And the second throw is in. Down to a weight 13. 1 minute. Kick out pass for a 3. It's in. 3 points. What's that? Urbano, nakaiwan sa isa, dalawa, at may kaupang pa. Second round po ang natitira. Good pa rin ang mga free throws ng Kabayugan Girls. Score natin 40, 48, 44 seconds lang po ang natitira. 44 seconds. And connects for 1 point itong jersey number 18, Urbano. And ang hindi lang nakawala, pero nawala rin naman yung bola. Parehas na lang. Last 30. Heredero, Dayang Heredero, Kwasi Jumong Dasil, at mo 3. Technical foul. Jersey number 3, flipping. And ang shoot lang natin bago mag-sub. And 1 point connects for the technical foul. Perfect. Pasa sa gitna, easy yan, 2 points. Guzman, that's 15. Using the gas, that's 10. 5. It's a 2, that's 2. At yan po ang 7 7 minutes on the clock. And that's the start with J. Mark Paclev. J. Mark Paclev using no breaks. Masyado pa rin yung nakapagkakapa. And wala, Magnus communication class. Rupano, dire-diretso! And a block by Cervantes. Na nakawan itong jersey number 17. Guzman, a step against three. Hindi nakabigay, Cervantes. This is the last Rupert. Cervantes. And Rufano, pass to jersey number 13. Shot clock down to 12 penalty shot. And the first team ball with a team of Hoop Mentors. Nahugod nga lang ang first throw nitong Abraso. Second throw, jumpers ready. Good pa rin. Pero may sumod pang kasama. Using the glass, Dumawe. 2 points, Caldera. Shout out to Eldin Marais Saris. Ayan na si pass to Heredero, forming on the shot clock. Paalan, jersey number 2, shot clock, down to 10, nakawala sa gitna, mira sa Guzman. At nakadalawa, 2 points, Guzman. 5 minutes and 40 seconds pang natitira. At nakawala ng jersey number 13 na cross at 2 points once again, 46-58 po. And as a goal for under this. At lamang po ang team ng Group Mentors kontra sa team ng Cowboy Vanguard. Rupano looking for a play. Rupano mukhang bumibilis. Rupano dumiretso using the glass. Rupano. Bumabalik po sa shot ang kalamangan ng team ng Group Mentors. 4 minutes and 50 seconds na lang po ang natitira. Nakana na kayo sa dalawa. Cowboy Vanguard. No good nga lang ang first throw ni Paalan. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, wala pa rin. At sinalba, malingal lang ang napasahan, Paalan. Hindi pa rin nakapigyan. Paclev, dire-diretso, Paclev, Paclev. Nabitawan na itong Joey Mark Paclev, Paalan, dire-diretso, pasa sa ilalim. Guzman and one! At wala ang second throw. Score. Good Mentors. J. Mark Paclev using the jets. J. Mark Paclev using a test. Goal! 3 points. J. Mark Paclev. Heredero for a pick and go pass. Pass to Juno. Cervantes, sorry, jersey number 27. Agawa Buko. 4 minutes to go. Rupano. Pinigyan na sa pass. Sapatos na program ng Katropa Basketball. 3 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Heredero. And there's a call for a foul. Cowboy Vanguard. Heredero left the man open for a lane. No good nga lang. And a good back is good, 2 points. Paragdagang dalawa for LeBron. Rupano losing sa Mada. And there's a call for a foul. Yeah. Backward situation. Another backward situation. Nasa po. Double elimination po muli. Twice to beat nga lang itong team ng Cowboy Vanguard. Using the clutch and there's a call for a foul. Pero ito ay hindi po sa inyo ng Gary Brand. Ang Ang buhat na pangasahan sa anumang laruan. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Back left using the glass. Pasya na bababang pagkatira nitong back left. Second throw, jumpers ready. At connection of 1 point, J-Mark McClellan. 61 po ang ating score. Castro, nakahuli ng isa. Pasto Abroso, back left, para sa isa. Huli! Jimenez! And the final step shot is there, good for 2 points. Karagdagan dalawa sa team ng Hoop Mentors nitong laruan. Isa, dalawa, kanina mo pupunta. Shot clock down to 13. Hindi na ako nitong Guzman. Guzman, iniwang nakabukas. Hindi na ang ring. J-Mark backlet, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. J-Mark backlet, wala pa rin. Nabitaan ng Lupano. Lupano sa Lupano. Sulit sa pinang tira sa ating third quarter. J-Mark backlet, calling for a play. Using some handles for a fake Lupano, call for a drive, strike. All-one para lang ang tiraga. Super sa pare. Atlas pass. Huli! Boss! Pinobas! Rufano may press jumper using the glass. Inawa na rin. Boys, Rufano. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pala, iniwang dalawa. Pero may pagkakatawag. Second personal foul. Rufano. Shot clock, down to 13. Spin move dalawa. Guzman isa pa. Wala pa rin. And that's Carlos on basketball. J-Mark Buckler. Using the press and using the break. And the three. Too short. 1 minute and 20. 115. Chumang Gatsin showing some honors. Pass to the center and there's a call for a ball.
Final ko, di ba? Series.
And that's ball. And that's no good. But on the line, no good. Not counted for no run. Kung nagala sa linyahan itong jersey number 01, no run. Ringless yung una pero hindi pumasok. Ringless ang pangalawa at kaagad mo na 64-58. 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 5. Anin lang po ang kalamangan yung Eagles captain. Karalip yung second personal foul. Movement pa rin. Good naman. 58 seconds. 58 seconds. And that's a winning shot. 1 point. There's number 25, Maranal. No run. Sorry, 59-64. 5-point lead na lang po, 5-point lead. Paalan, dire-diretso, Carolina. Using the break, no good. No good. No good, walang kapasahan, Lauron. 40 seconds, 40. 24 seconds. Sugar, down to 10. Same situation with nice. Same ball, man. 26 seconds po. Supply yung una.
Tamad na ako, madaming
Violation.
Tagal maghintay. Tagal maghintay. Ah, sabi ko, bahala yan. Pinupuspusuan ko na lang.
And that's one out of two. Last shot, jumper is ready. Okay, automatic sub po pang nag-shoot ang shot ni Rufano. No good! Yun lang, turnover, pass break opportunity, box you. Diretso, pala, no good pa rin. 14 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds. And that's the plus one. Second throw jumper is ready. Nice, 2 points. 2 lead. And that's And that's no good para kay Caralipio. Napakagandang labanan ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. Tignan natin kung sino magtataas. Caralipio, away na shot. 1 point. 3 points. Last turn. Same as it. Three, two. And that's it, man. And semi-final game, Campo Open Cars and congratulations for